ketchup. Ketchup is so yummy because it's always so yummy, and I always ask for it. Well, this one is looking This is my favorite food. Cucumbers, please. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now we have one fried chicken. And we have one egg too. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 cucumbers. And then when I eat it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. And then if you count it now, you have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. And then if you eat one, and then if you count, you do this. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 left. And then if you count, there's only 1, 1, 1. Like there's like one bug sprayer or an empty one glass. And then if I eat, and then there's no more. I got peace like a liver. I got peace like a liver. I got
River.
river. I got peace like river. I got peace like river. I got peace like river in my solar system.
What?
Sorry, I said solar system. Can I have more rice, please? Because I just accidentally spilled one here. I got peace like a liver. Thank you. Ow!
Why?
It was too teeny tiny hot. I'm gonna blow the kitchen. I want ketchup because I want. Put a lot. You have to put a lot next time, Mama. Put the lot next time, okay? Alright. Okay, Mama, okay. Mix.